Our objective is to write all the numbers here into quadratic equation and then identifying our a, b, and c in ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we do the FOIL method on the left hand side. So we will have here 2x squared. 2x times 3 is positive 6x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3 equals 0. Then we simplify by putting all the terms together. 6x negative x is positive 5x. Negative 3 equals 0. So we have a as, sorry, this must be 2. Our b is 5. And our c is negative 3. This one is simpler because we only need to combine similar terms. So we can put all these things to the left side by adding a 15 here and positive 4x squared on this side and doing it the same to the other side. So this will become 0 now. So we have here 8x minus 3x squared transforming negative 15 to the other side becomes positive 15. Negative 4x to the other side, 4x squared to the other side is positive 4x squared. That leaves 0 on the right hand side. And then we combine similar terms here, arranging them to the descending power. So we have x squared plus 8x plus 15 equals 0. Our a is 1. The coefficient of this is 1. Then b is equal to 8 and c is equal to 15. We have fraction as coefficients, but our ABC must be integers, so we can multiply both sides by 3. So we will have here negative 5x squared plus 9x plus 33 equals negative 27 plus 25x squared. So we want our a to be positive, so let's just transfer or transpose everything here to that side. So we will have here 25x squared minus 5x squared. Oh, it becomes positive now because you transfer it to the other side. Transferring this to other side, we have 9x. Transferring this or transposing this to the other side, we have negative 33. And then since it retains to be on that side, negative 27. Actually, these are all placed on the right side. So we will have here, what is left here is 0 because everything has been moved to the other side. Let's check again. Do we change the sign? Negative 5x squared, positive 5x. Plus it, positive 9x, negative 9x. Plus 33, negative 33. And we retain this on that side because we didn't move these two terms. Or to put it simply, we can just transfer this to the other side. It's basically the same if we put 0 here instead. And that is how the standard form is written. You have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, now let's simplify this. We have here 30x squared minus 9x. What is negative 33 plus negative 27? We have negative 60 equals 0. Now we can identify our a now. 30, b is negative 9, and c equals negative 60. Same as the previous, we will have here a value of ABC which is not an integer. So to get away with that, we need to multiply both sides by 7. So this is solving rational expressions, rational equation. So if we multiply this by 7, we will have only x plus 4 here. And on the other side, we have 7x squared plus 7. Now, we will write it in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Let me write that. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, so let's move everything. 7x squared, we can move it to the other side. So we have here minus x and then minus 4. We are not moving this. Okay, these are the receivers, the 7x squared and 7. Okay, so if everything has been moved here, then this left hand side will be equal to 0. Or let's just do the reflexive property. 0 equals 7x squared minus x minus 4 plus 7 is the same as 7x squared minus x minus 4 plus 7 equals 0. Okay, let me erase this part. And then we simplify. We haven't simplified this yet. 7x squared minus x minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3 equals 0. Then we'll have our a equals 7, b equals negative 1, that's the coefficient of your x, and c equals 3.